Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Sandbox not opening, loading, or working error 0x80070002. So first just go ahead to your search tab, type in Windows features. Now on the first results, click on Open. After that, just make sure you check Hyper-V and then click on OK. And then a process will take place. Mine is already checked, so it will not happen for me. After that, just go ahead, restart your computer for changes to take place. This is mandatory before you open up CMD. So go ahead, click on Run as Administrator. After that, just type in this command, which is sfc /scannow, then hit Enter, then a process will take place. After it's all done, just go ahead, restart your computer. And now your computer should be back working and Sandbox will open up for you. So just restart your computer and all changes will take place. So this was an easy and quick tutorial video. As always, thank you for watching.